Hello, everybody. I wanted to take a couple minutes and go over the weekly learning activities that are discussed in the syllabus and in the overview video that I posted earlier. Um, we're going to begin as usual on the home page, and to get to these particular assignments, we're going to access them via the modules tab. So you will notice um, each particular week has what is called a week learning activity. So you have one for week 1, you have one for week 2, you have one for week 3, all the way up until week 7. The purpose of the learning activities are basically to determine where you're at in a particular module, what are you having troubles with, and what is something new that you learned. Please do not take these until Saturday or Sunday of the end of each week. So we're starting week 1. When you're watching this, it would be the beginning of week 1. You should be taking these Saturday or Sunday at the end of this week. The purpose for that is to make sure that you've had enough time to actually work on the learning path modules in order to answer the questions. If you take them very early in the week, like Monday or Tuesday, you really haven't had enough time to actually work on the assignments that the questions are based on. The other reason for that is these are used to track attendance, and you must complete one learning activity every 7 days. So whatever day you take them on, your first one, you've locked yourself into that day. So for example, let's just say you mess up and you take it on Tuesday this week. Well, you've now locked yourself into taking the next one Tuesday of next week, and then the one after that on Tuesdays, which is not a good pattern to be in. If you do not complete a learning activity within a 7-day period, they are going to send you an attendance warning. If you don't complete 2 learning activities, or if you miss any within a 14-day period, then they're going to dismiss you for attendance, and we don't want that to happen. So please set yourself a calendar reminder to take these on Saturday or Sunday of the end of the week, and that becomes your day that you're going to always do these. So to access them, you're simply going to open up the learning activity link, and you'll see some information. It's a graded quiz. It's worth 10 points. You will probably not see a score right away. I have to go in and actually grade them, and I typically do that on Tuesdays. And you'll see a link to actually start it. Now, because the week hasn't opened yet, that's not showing, but here's an example of what it looks like. There's basically 2 questions, okay? Something I still do not understand about this week, and you're going to type in your answer. Something new I learned about this week, and you're going to type in your answer. So what am I looking for here? I'm looking for complete sentences, paragraph form, proper spelling, proper punctuation, basically a coherent paragraph that is addressing the questions. So you're going to list something here, and you could, for example, say, something I still do not understand about this particular module is, and then you're going to lay them out. And then when you get to the next question, you want to identify something new that you learned. And again, paragraph form, proper spelling, proper punctuation. And then when you're done, you're just going to click Submit Quiz down here. As always, any questions, please let me know. And please, please, please do not forget to take these, because I've seen numerous students dismissed from the course simply by not answering these 2 simple questions. All right, good luck, folks.